Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Police officers open up on casino controversy. Bosco George hits back at journalists. Says journalists gambled. An exclusive report of Prudent Media. Right-wing organizations and church criticized DGP for statement comparing casino with holy places. BJP demands transfer of Manohar Parrikar on a silver screen from Neta, now Abhineta. Process to denotify SEZs have begun, says CM after meeting Kamal Nath. SEG's plans to develop Goan gymnasts on track leading up to 2011 National Games. And India prospect Pankaj Singh reveals domestic cricket targets, admits improvement in certain areas. Now the news in detail. 4 days after the casino controversy, cops on Tuesday hit back at journalists for hyping redundant story against their visit to casinos. North Goa SP Bosco George, who had visited the casino with 3 SPs, 2 DYSPs and 1 police inspector, questioned how journalists can accuse police when they themselves were gambling on casinos. This is the first time one of the policemen who had visited the casino has spoken to media. We bring to you the exclusive report.
7 senior police officers on Friday night had visited Casino Royale. The police officers included North Goa SP Bosco George, SP of Special Cell Atmaram Deshpande, SP of Traffic Arvind Gauns and SP of Police Headquarters Vishram Borkar. On the same night, the casino owners had organized a visit of some journalists on the Casino Royale. Media cited these policemen and criticized them for their visit on the next day. Now, cops have hit back. They have alleged that journalists were gambling, drinking and hogging at the casino.
See, Murari, it wouldn't be proper for me if I am accused to be giving a justification. Okay, my superiors have given, and they did not find any iota of truth into the false reporting by some of the journalists over there. And I think I'm appalled at this hypocrisy of the journalists who themselves were gambling and drinking and hogging on the ship could ever think of trying to accuse us of such things.
Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media, North Goa SP Bosco George clarified that they don't need to explain the casino visit as they have not committed any illegal act by visiting casinos. SP also said that media should have criticized them if they had acted wrongly on the casino.
We have not done an illegal act. Number 2, we are family men. We cannot embarrass our families by doing such things. Third, the dignity of our uniform is much, much higher than this compromising people. And fourth, let us put, nothing of our action can be construed as an act of misconduct.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
DGP's statement in casino controversy has evoked strong reactions from right-wing organizations and the church authorities. The organizations have criticized DGP for his statement comparing the casinos with holy places. Moving a step ahead, BJP has demanded that DGP be transferred from Goa for his unethical remarks.
On Friday night, 7 officers were seen on Casino Royale. This created a big controversy. So while giving a clean chit on the senior police officers, DGP Bhimsen Bassi in a press conference on Monday stated that there was nothing wrong and illegal in visiting the casino, as the act is alike visiting temples, churches and any other religious places.
See, many people go to temples, and many people go to churches, many people go to restaurants to eat, many people go for fishing, some people go for many other things. So it is a personal choice. So you cannot say whether I will go or I will not go.
Spokesperson of Bishop's Palace, Father Francis Caldera, said that it was incorrect to compare holy organizations with casinos.
Either he doesn't understand what religion is and what casino is. For me, it is a blasphemous statement to compare casinos to the temple or to the churches.
On the other side, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has demanded that the DGP Bassi be transferred from Goa.
म्हणूनच म्हाका दिसता ते टेम्पलान चोरयो जाता पळय त्यो तांकां कॅसिनोच्यो चोरयो भशेनूच दिसता. That is why they are not able to crack it, and the government should take cognizance of it and ask for his removal from Goa.
Even VHP leader Raju Velinkar has opposed the statement by DGP.
जे सिग्नल जे पास ऑन जाला हातूंतल्यान ते अत्यंत चुकीचें आसा. मंदिरान वचणारे, चर्चीन वचणारे लोक जे आसात तांचो थंय वता आसतना जो भाव जो आसा तो अंतकरणांतलो वेगळो भाव उरता. हांगाचो भाव जो आसा हो कितें आसतलो तो आतां चवकशी करची पडटली.
Our reporter in Panji Devidas Kamli with principal correspondent Murari Shetye and video journalist Sunny Narvekar and Shan.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar is one of the versatile personalities. Did you ever think he will act in movies? Have a look at this. The IITian politician has now turned an actor. Don't ask us why. This is a story of BJP star of Goa making a debut on 75mm silver screen.
Have you ever seen Manohar Parrikar applying makeup? No? Then see this picture. If you're thinking that he's applying makeup to attend a press conference or getting ready to meet his party seniors or he's in a iffy mood, then you are wrong. He's getting ready for a movie shoot. Now thinking for which movie? Damu Naik has signed him for his Konkani film Zagor. But we don't know how big is his role. Damu Naik himself is not ready to reveal the details. But looks like Parrikar has started his filmy career through his political colleague.
काम कर म्हाका म्हणजे फरकूच जाणून ना. काम कर बाय कांयच ना. आमी रिसेप्शनाक येवन थंय लोक बसतात पळय तशें आमी बसलेले. तो व्हंकलाकार काय न्हवरेकार कोण तोय खबर ना म्हाका. तो येवन ताणें हात बीत दिवन गेलो. तें आतां तांच्यांनी शुटींग केलें. आतां येतकच थंय कळ्ळें की शुटींग म्हणून. आमी जाल्यार शुटींग पळोवपाक येवंक जाय म्हणून. सो हांव शुटींग पळोवपाक म्हणून आयल्लो. लग्नाक येवन नासलो.
Damu Naik's Konkani film Zagor will be showcased in IFFI. Few days back, Parrikar had released the album of his film. Damu Naik is also not ready to provide information regarding this movie. Looks like BJP MLA wants to surprise the Goans. It is said that there is no much difference between Neta and Abhineta. Well, our opposition leader has blurred the differences further. Madgaonkars have seen stage acting of Damu. Now it is turn of his leader. Whatever it may be, one thing is for sure. If this film becomes hit, then fan followers of Parrikar will have a big role to play. Surely, BJP's poster boy is trying his luck with acting, moving slightly from the political direction. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye, reporter Ramesh Naik Raut, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. We'll be right back.